You guys see another cluster of tall-ish buildings, not quite as tall as the Strip. They are, because they are gigantic. And the little cartoon maps that they give you, they're going to tell you that's 2 blocks on the boulevard, and that is true. But the blocks on Las Vegas Boulevard are 1 mile area. Down here we have our Anthem McDonald Ranch. There we go. Britney Spears when she lived in town, just over that mountain there. A busy night like tonight, you can launch on a stroll through his lounges, see who you can see. Or just watch a guy wagering 22 sources. It comes from solar and natural gas. Now the Hoover Dam does generate electricity. None of it goes to Vegas though. All gets sold downstream to dam. But once you pick your spot, how are you building anything there? There's a canyon. You can see the trail under that bridge. There's actually my favorite hike in Nevada. It parked back in that parking lot. It ends on a beach on the Colorado River, and you cool down the entirety of the Grand Canyon.
Hello guys. Punta kami sa Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. Dito
Colorado
sa
River.
Colorado River.
Yep.
Dito kami sa Las Vegas ngayon, pero nandito kami sa Hoover Dam. So tingnan natin yung Hoover Dam. Masarap yung weather. Sana nag-ano ako, nag-shorts, naka-dress ako.
Take a good deep breath. It's the best air quality in the United States.
Andito daw yung pinaka-fresh na hangin sa United States, dito sa Hoover Dam. Are we gonna go here?
Yep.
Okay. So mataas guys. Actually ito parang desierto siya. Hindi parang, desierto talaga. So, oops. Desierto. Ginoo. Na ano na yung pancake na kinain ko. Na-burn ko na yung calories na kinain. Sa taas guys. Doon yung bus dun sa baba. Dito na kami sa taas. Ayan. Bundok siya guys. Pakaganda. Malamig. Maganda yung weather. Madaming mga ano dyan, no? Mga information. Ayan. Expanded dyan. Pero papakita ko na lang yung yung dam. Nakita ko naman yung dam nung nasa aeroplano ako. So grabe yun. Very yung mountain. Rocky ba? Rocky. Ah.
It's the best. That's so cool when you turn around a movie or television series. Who does what I'm about to do right now for my trick, color or spread out as it starts time to get bigger and bigger, more dense. These are pistachio trees. Pistachio trees. Once you plant your first pistachio tree, it takes about 2 to 3 year methods. They built structures from different tribes. Ever wanted?
Ito na kami sa sa Grand Canyon. Antay kami ng bus dito. Bus. Ano dito? Punta na tayo sa stop number 2. Yan yung ano.
Same.
Ay, grabe.
No, pues ese lago ahorita no está así, amor.
My
Mira cómo está de
gosh.
este lado. No.
Wow. Look at that.
I can't hear it clicking, but
By 1890, they came out to dim their hills there, and they discovered silver. And there's actually 6 years silver.